Welcome to VDR channel. My topic is income from business. If you like my class, please subscribe VDR channel, share it, comment. Thank you. Let us see the income from business pro forma for calculation. How income from business is calculated. Let us see the points. ఓకే, మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ రూపంలో క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తారు. P&L అకౌంట్ రూపంలో మనకి క్వశ్చన్ లేదా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి టు నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్, ఇక్కడ బై గ్రాస్ ప్రాఫిట్, ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఉంటాయి. P&L అకౌంట్లోనే డెబిట్లు లేదా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రూపంలోనే వాళ్ళు ఇవ్వడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ప్రాఫిట్ని, బిజినెస్ యొక్క ప్రాఫిట్ని కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? లెట్ us we have to find out the business profit. In what way we have to find out? So net profitని first calculation of income from business in a name for the assessment year taken. Particulars rupees. Balance as per profit and loss account. If there is a net profit plus value, if it is net loss minus value will be taken. Expenses, add expenses claimed but not allowed under this act. P&L అకౌంట్లోని ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ చూపిస్తారు కొన్ని, ఆ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ని డిసలౌడ్ చేస్తారు, నాట్ అలౌడ్. అలాంటి ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అన్నింటినీ కూడా మనం నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్కి యాడ్ చేయాలి. దోస్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ విచ్ ఆర్ డెబిటెడ్ ఇన్ P&L అకౌంట్ బట్ నాట్ ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఏ expenditure. Okay, the items will be added back to the net profit. Okay, what are the expenses shown in the P&L account but not allowed for expenditure? Or let us see the one by one point. Okay, first point is all provisions and reserves like provision for tax, proposed dividend are not expenses. They are provisions but they are shown in the P&L account. It is not allowed, so it is added to the net profit. Okay, reserve for bad debts, provision for depreciation are provisions not expenditure, they again added to the net profit. All provisions added to the profit and loss account net profit. Reserves also general reserve, transfer to sinking fund, transfer to revenue reserve, that also should be added to the net profit. Okay, second point, all taxes. Taxes are two types, business taxes and personal taxes. Personal taxes are shown in the P&L account, should be added to the net profit. They are not allowed. The personal taxes are not allowed, like income tax, advance income tax, wealth tax are shown in the P&L account debit side, are added to the net profit. Okay, business taxes, except business taxes like sales tax, excise duty, GST, local taxes for business premises are allowed for expenditure. Okay, sales tax, excise duty, custom duty and local business taxes allowed as expenditure, but not the personal tax, income tax, wealth tax, advance income tax are not allowed, are added to the net profit. Okay, next, rent paid to self. For own house they are paying the rent paid to the self. For example, the business premises is owners the owns business, then it is added to the rent. It means owners own house also treated as a expenditure, not allowed. It is added to the net profit. Okay, rent paid to self is also added to the net profit, not allowed as for the expenses. If it is outside business premises, rent paid, it is allowed for expenditure. Okay, all capital expenses except scientific research. Capital expenses means land purchase, building purchase, furniture purchase, motor vehicle purchase, those are capital expenditure. If they are shown in the P&L account debit side, are added to the net profit. Okay, all capital losses, capital loss on sale of building, loss on sale of furniture, loss on sale of motor vehicle, the losses are shown in the profit and loss account debit side, are added to the net profit. Okay, they are not allowed for expenditure. All charities, గుళ్ళు గోపురాలకి, దేవస్థానాలకి, టెంపుల్స్కి, పొలిటికల్ పార్టీస్కి డొనేషన్స్ కనుక ఏమైనా ఇస్తే ఆల్ చారిటీస్ అండ్ డొనేషన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ టు temples, trust, charitable institutions, blood banks are not donations are given are not allowed for business expenditure. They are again added to the net profit. Okay, all expenses related to the other heads. It means expenses paid to other heads like house property expenses, house property repairs, house property taxes are paid. They are not business expenditure, they are personal expenditure. If they are shown in the profit and loss account debit side, it will be added to the net profit. Okay, some more items we have to see in. Some more items like any interest on capital unless the amount borrowed. If owner introduce capital in business, if we take interest from the business, it is not allowed. Okay, because they get a net profit for these services. So if he borrowed any amount from the outside, if he paid interest on that borrowing loans, it is allowed for expenditure. Interest on capital is not allowed. Okay, all personal expenses like school fees paid, college fees paid, household expenses, personal expenses, drawings, household expenses are not allowed for business expenditure. They are disallowed. It is added to the net profit. Gifts and presents not related to advertisement are disallowed. Gift given to son-in-law, gift given to daughter or presents, so they are not allowed for business expenditure. So they are not advertisement, so it will be added to the net profit. Okay, any type of fine or penalties related to the person. If any rash car driving, any penalties due to the personal expenses or should be added to the net profit. So fines and penalties related to the person or should be added to the net profit. Any payment to partner like salaries, bonus, commission, interest up to prescribed limit it is allowed, and remaining amount is not allowed. It should be added to the net profit. Okay, past losses. If any previous losses occurred in the business premises should not be shown in the present current year P&L account expenditure. It should be shown. If it is shown, it will be added to the net profit. గతంలో జరిగిన నష్టాలు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వ్యాపారంలోని అవి ప్రజెంట్ P&L అకౌంట్ డెబిట్లో చూపించడానికి వీల్లేదు. అలా ఒకవేళ చూపిస్తే వాటిని మనం రీబ్యాక్ మన నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్కి యాడ్ చేసి చూపించాలి. నెక్స్ట్ శాలరీ పెయిడ్ టు ది సెల్ఫ్. The proprietor is taking the salary to his own, it is disallowed. If any salary paid to the members of the family for any casual help, it is also not allowed. Okay, some more items will be seen. Okay, personal life insurance premium. It is a personal expenditure. If it is shown in the profit and loss account debit side, it will be added to the net profit. So personal life insurance is a life insurance is a life, wife life, family members life is paid. It is a personal expenditure. It should be reback added to the net profit. Any amount invested in the investments like savings in postal department savings, national savings certificates, national savings schemes, public provident funds, amount invested in that various schemes by the owner or proprietor, it should be not shown as a expenditure. If it is shown as a expenditure, then it will be reback to the net profit. Okay, rent paid to the house. So he living in a rented house. If it is rent paid, that expenditure is shown in the business. It will be the personal expenditure. So it will be added to the net profit. Okay, speculation loss. Speculation loss means temporary type of business, doing 1 week business, 3 days business, doing that business losses may be occurred, then it is treated as a speculation loss. The speculation loss is shown in the business expenditure. It is not allowed for the expenses, so it is reback added to the net profit. Okay, bad debts still recoverable. So bad debts are not recovered, then it is allowed, not allowed for expenditure. Okay, so it is added to the net profit. Legal expenses related to the personal, it will be added to the profit, net profit. Loss by theft in the business profession is a business are allowed. If loss by theft from residential house, it is not allowed. ఇంట్లో దొంగలు పడితే ఆ ఖర్చు అయితే అది అలౌ చేయరు. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి యాడెడ్ టు ది expense not allowed for expenditure, it should be added to the net profit. Expense on illegal businesses should be added to the net profit. If there is a difference in trade means suspense account shown in the P&L account debit side, that amount will be added to the net profit. Those are items which are debited in P&L account are not expenditure. They should be added back to the net profit. Okay, let us what are the items should be deducted from the net profit. So let us see the deduction items which are not debited in the P&L account are shown in the expenses not being debited in profit and loss account. Expenses not being debited in profit and loss account. Expenses which are not debited in P&L account should be deducted from the income. Okay, actual bad debts, it is not shown in the profit and loss account debit side, it will be given in the adjustments. The actual bad debt should be less from the information. Okay, depreciation, actual depreciation is also not given in P&L account debit side, it should be given in the adjustment, it should be also less from the incomes. Okay, any other expenses which are allowed for expenditure according to the provisions are not shown in the profit and loss account debit side, they are shown in the adjustments. It should be, that amount should be deducted from the income. Okay, so actual bad debts, actual depreciation, actual expenditure are not shown in the P&L account debit side, it should be deducted from the added items. Okay, from the deducted. Next point, incomes are shown in the P&L account credit side. The incomes which are not related to P&L account, the incomes which are not for business income, that item should be shown in the P&L account credit side, that should be deducted from the net income. Okay, any income credited to P&L account not taxable under this head, those following items. ఏవైతే P&L అకౌంట్లో క్రెడిట్స్ అని ఇన్కమ్స్ కింద చూపించారో అవి ఇక్కడ మన ఇన్కమ్ కింద చూపించడానికి వీల్లేదు, అవి వేరే హెడ్స్ కింద వస్తాయి. లైక్ ఇన్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ క్యాపిటల్ గెయిన్స్, ఇన్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ సోర్సెస్, ఇన్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ టోటల్ అదర్ గెయిన్స్, ఇట్ విల్ బి కమ్ అండర్. ఓకే, ఎనీ పోస్టల్ సేవింగ్స్ బ్యాంక్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, agricultural receipt, gift from relatives are not a business income, they should be deducted from it income. Okay, so postal saving income is not a business income, agricultural receipt is a agricultural income, gift from relatives is a business income, not a business income. Incomes created in profit and loss account not taxable under this head. Let us see some more examples. Income tax refund, it is shown in the P&L account credit side, it is not a business income, it is a personal income, it should be less. Bad debts recovered, disallowed earlier. So bad debts ఎక్కొట్టారు, ఆ అమౌంట్ గతంలో ఒప్పుకోలేదు, డిజల్వ్ చేశారు, ఇప్పుడు ఆ డబ్బులు మనకి రికవర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఆ అమౌంట్ నాట్ ట్యాక్సబుల్. So dual type of tax income is not taxable under any item. So it will be less the item. Life insurance maturity amount. If the life insurance policy is matured and the amount received by the person, it is a personal income. It should not be come under in the business income. It should be, if it is given in the P&L account credit side, it should be deducted. Any capital receipt, sale of land, sale of building, and any capital receipts are shown in the P&L account credit side, it should be less from the incomes. Withdraw from the provident fund, withdraw from the public provident fund amount, it should be deducted from the profit and loss credit side. Rent from house, if rent received of a house property, it is given in the P&L account credit side should be deducted. Interest on securities, part-time salaries, dividend, bank interest are not business incomes, are given in the P&L account credit side, it should be deducted. Winning from lotteries, winning from crossword puzzles, winning from horse races, dividend or any given in capital gains are given in the P&L account credit side, it should be deducted from the income side. Okay, it will be less all the items. Next, any other income, any other income, any other business income, any other business income, either legal or illegal, should be added. Okay, it is called the income from business. Okay, if problems will be explained in the next video. Okay, if you like my class, please subscribe VDR channel, comment, share and ring the bell. Thank you very much.